Alright guys, it's going to be an install video for the 24, this is for a 24 Sierra right here that we're actually working on. This is the upgraded fog light kit that is in here now, but it's going to come out. I'm going to show you how to pull this out and put it back in. It's going to be the same as your factory light, how it got bolts and all. Simple, easy, 3 bolts, 7mm. You got one down here, one there, one up there. Go ahead and pull that out now so you can see. Electric ratchet, make your life a lot easier. There's one. Don't fall down, smack me in the face. There you go, and then all you gotta do is unplug it right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna push that red clip back and press the clip, and it'll just pull right on out. And this will be connected to your fog light. This is the extra harness for the fog light itself. All right, this is the Sierra 1500 fog light upgrade kit. So we got 2 of them, and these are both prototypes. They're going to change a little bit. I'm gonna start with this one because this one was kind of our first one we did. This is the rigid bracket with the rigid pods. Well, it's not a rigid bracket. It's actually a BMC made bracket that we've teamed up with them to get this thing going. This is a great pod to put down there, huge upgrade from factory, but overall it's still a great upgrade. Way better than the factory fog lights. The second option would be this Diode Dynamics one, and this new bracket that we have here, it's a fantastic bracket. It fills in all those voids. It looks OEM, and you will see videos and pictures of that if you haven't already. But we will soon have these up on our site, and we're going to show you how to put these in on the truck. Takes 2 seconds. So both of these kits, I don't have the harness for the rigid one right now, but both of these kits, it's a plug and play harness. So you're just going to take this, plug it up to the back of your light, that plugs into your factory connector. You turn them on and off with your fog lights. Simple as can be. No wiring, no splicing, no cutting. So it just takes a electric ratchet or a ratchet, whatever you got that can fit in here with a 7mm. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. You're just going to take this light, stick it up in here like so. And put your 3 bolts in there, 7mm. I'm just going to get them hand tight, that way it stays. I literally think this can be done in less than 60 seconds if you're really quick. And you got all your tools handy, I would say. Tighten them up. You ain't got to make these things so tight. Just get them nice and snug on there. Then you plug her up. You will have some extra wire. We've already kind of moved the wires for these so they're not hanging. But you can just zip tie them up in there and you'll be good to go. Move them out of the way, make sure they're not hanging. Good to go, and we'll show you the final product here in a second.